In 2024, the housing market is a maze of conflicting predictions. Some channels forecast robust growth, others predict a large downturn, and the real estate hype channels are screaming that prices will plunge by 50% or more. What is the truth in this sea of contradictions? This short video cuts through the noise to uncover the real dynamics shaping today's market. Sticking to the facts, I will guide you through the actual trends and data, arming you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions whether you're looking to buy, rent, or sell a home. To understand where the housing market stands today, it's crucial to look at the broader economic indicators that drive real estate trends. This year, we're seeing a complex interplay of factors, from interest rates influenced by inflationary pressures to employment rates that directly impact buying power. Understanding these elements empowers you to see how they could influence your decision to buy, rent, or sell, making you a more informed participant in the market. The current U.S. job market remains healthy, a reassuring sign for the housing market. Nonfarm payroll employment growth was 2.1% annualized in the 3 months ended March 2024, with about 303,000 jobs added in March. This growth rate is in line with the 2% in the prior 3 months and slightly above the 1.7% average annual growth from 2015 through 2019. A strong job market bolsters consumer confidence and increases the demand for homes, indicating a stable housing market. Mortgage interest rates have shown volatility this year, with the Federal Reserve adjusting rates to manage economic growth. This impacts mortgage rates and, consequently, the entire real estate market. Understanding these shifts is crucial as they dictate affordability and market demand. Unfortunately, the most significant trend affecting the market is the limited supply of available homes. This scarcity is largely due to a prolonged period of under-construction of new homes spanning over the last 15 years, which has failed to keep pace with our growing population and new household formations. This limited supply has been a key driver in price appreciation and competition among buyers, making it a critical consideration for anyone looking to enter the market. With these economic undercurrents, the 2024 housing market is shaping to be one of calculated risks and opportunities. Whether you're considering buying your first home, investing in property, or deciding if it's the right time to sell, keeping a close eye on these trends is essential. In examining regional highlights and variations, it's vital to consult reliable data sources such as the Zillow Home Value Index, which tracks home value changes across nearly 900 local U.S. MSAs. This comprehensive data provides insights into the nuanced movements of the real estate market across different regions. If you are a longtime subscriber, then you know I often publish fact-based reports on the housing market because YouTube is just loaded with so many hyped-up clickbait reports built to elicit fear, not communicate facts based upon the data. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe now so that you get all my new content when it is fresh. If you really want to know what's going on in housing, to see and hear the data explained, to evaluate the facts and ignore the hype that is so prevalent online, then subscribe now and I will keep you in the know. Many urban areas have seen fluctuating growth rates in home values due to various factors such as job market shifts and demographic changes. Cities with robust tech industries or significant healthcare sectors often exhibit strong demand and rising home prices. In contrast, regions with industries facing economic challenges might show slower growth or even declines in home values. Furthermore, suburban areas around major metropolitan centers have experienced a surge in interest as more people look for residential spaces that offer both proximity to urban amenities and the benefits of suburban living. This trend has increased home values in these suburbs, reflecting the changing preferences post-pandemic. On the other hand, some coastal cities have seen their real estate markets cool off slightly due to high living costs and concerns over environmental risks like flooding and hurricanes. These factors are crucial in shaping buyer and investor decisions, impacting overall market dynamics in these regions. Understanding these trends helps in making informed decisions about buying, renting, or investing. Each region's market dynamics offer unique opportunities and challenges influenced by local economic conditions and national trends. As we delve into the investment landscape of the 2024 housing market, it's essential to observe the movements of smart money. The major investment banks and real estate investment firms like Opendoor, New Western, Pretium, and Invitation Homes. These players are strategically increasing their stakes in residential properties across various regions. But why? The reason is fundamentally rooted in supply and demand dynamics. Despite the varying economic signals, one constant remains: the limited supply of homes, exacerbated by years of under construction. These investment giants are capitalizing on this scarcity, betting on the inevitable appreciation in home values as demand continues to outstrip supply. If we would build more homes, we would disincentivize this type of investment as the returns would not justify the risk. This trend provides a crucial insight for individual investors. These strategic acquisitions by large investment firms signal confidence in the market's long-term value, suggesting that now might be a wise time to consider entering the market or expanding portfolios. However, the involvement of institutional investors also means heightened competition and potentially higher prices, particularly in markets where these firms are most active. Understanding where and why these institutions invest can guide smaller investors toward making more informed decisions. Regions with a high smart money activity might offer less risk, but also have competitive challenges. Conversely, identifying under-the-radar markets where supply issues are less pronounced could uncover hidden opportunities for substantial growth. The current market conditions underscore the importance of a well-researched investment strategy. By aligning with the broader trends influenced by major players, individual investors can navigate the complexities of the real estate market in 2024 with more confidence and potentially reap significant rewards. In the dynamic 2024 housing market, whether you're a prospective buyer or a current homeowner looking to sell, preparation is key to navigating this landscape successfully. Here are some strategic tips to consider. For buyers, research is crucial. Stay informed about the market conditions in your desired area. Follow our regular housing market updates and monitor your local economic conditions. It is critical that you understand the supply and demand dynamic in your local market, so consider spending some time to find a local realtor with great analytics or reach out to me, and I'll refer you to the agent I would use in your market area. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This clarifies your budget and strengthens your position in a competitive market, showing sellers you are serious and ready to move quickly. A pre-approved buyer is as solid as a cash buyer for home sellers, so get that worked out before making home offers. Consider the long term. Evaluate properties not just for their immediate appeal, but also for their potential long-term value. Look at factors like neighborhood development plans and school districts. If you have seen my recent Zillow housing market update, you know that homes have appreciated by 4.7% since 2000, including all the large losses when the government created the housing bubble of 2006. For sellers, selecting a top listing agent, choose an agent who excels in pre-marketing your home. An experienced agent can effectively highlight your property's best features to attract potential buyers before it officially hits the market. Home presentation. Invest wisely in home improvements. Focus on changes that cost significantly less than the potential increase in sale price. For example, minor renovations like painting, fixing up the landscaping, or updating fixtures can enhance appeal without requiring a large investment. Set the smart price. Pricing your home slightly below its expected market value can draw more interest. This approach can lead to a bidding war, often resulting in a sale price above what might have been achieved with a higher initial listing. It's a strategic move to maximize buyer interest and, ultimately, the selling price. By implementing these strategies, sellers can optimize their investment and enhance the appeal of their property, making it more attractive to buyers and increasing the chances of a successful and profitable sale. For more specific advice on how to sell a house today, check out my video, 6 Top Tips for Selling a Home.